Here's a biblical truth found in Psalm 146. We can never look to men for help, no matter who they are. They can't save us. For even our great leaders fail and fall. They too are just mortals who will one day die. At death, the spirits of all depart and their bodies return to the dust. In the day of their death, all their projects and plans are over. But those who hope in the Lord will be happy and pleased. Our help comes from the God of Jacob. You keep all your promises. You are the creator of heaven's glory, earth's grandeur, and ocean's greatness. The oppressed get justice with you. The hungry are satisfied with you. Prisoners find their freedom with you. You open the eyes of the blind, and you fully restore those bent over with shame. You love those who love and honor you. That was Psalm 146, verses 3 through 8.